Minista wa uthukumi wa mwenenthi Justin Muturi niwavuthiisya uneeni wa amwe ateti na anyanya ma President William Ruto ala meumwenda evetange ovisini vala wakulya President amuvetange ovisini oundu wamwandikie ethiwa nukwona vena vata nthini wa movo maukusi ala CS Muturi waandikithia na maovisa maisalu DCI kiseseni cha volisi cha Kilimani ni olesya kwa utheu undu kiko cha Mwana kutekwa nyala cha twayewe ni maovisa ma NIS aimwilila mavitio onthe director munene wa muvia nudin aji Benjamin Mwaka nukutuelesya.
CS Justin Muturi hainene na kwivija wamwene mbe wa DCI Kilimani niwavuthiisya ukiwa wa kwenda atiewa kwa kuendea kutwaisya kila nthu syake siuwetani kuvua serikali walumilelia kana mwanani unginela president wa mwene ukamuvuta kuma wiani oundu wamwandikie mbe ta munene wa miao ila ni Attorney General na itina ta Minister serikali ni impya broad based.
Removal of a cabinet secretary is very simple. Just go to Article 132. It says the president may appoint with the approval of the National Assembly, may nominate, and with the approval of the National Assembly, appoint and dismiss cabinet secretary. So even when I took this job, I was fully aware of those professions.
Muturi niwavuthiisya ukiwa wa yumbe ala menda atiewa kana mamunguthule kuma utongoine vala walumilelia nde ukianzia iya impeachment bungeni ona vanini.
I would just say bring it on. I mean, at my age, I'm not the kind of person to respond to some of it is really very perfunctory statement made by fairly inexperienced politicians. I think they are not worthy my response. So if anybody thinks that I don't know what I'm doing, then they are up for a rude shock. I'm not under any pressure. I've not seen any pressure. I've told you there are some certain very infantile statements that I have read from some quarters, and I think it's not fair for me to even dwell on them. They are not worthy responding. That's not pressure.
Ni savali yake ya DCI kuyumonde ila waweta dhina kelelo cha kunenga na welesyo mutheu wa undu mwana wake Leslie Muturi waume iye moko ni maisalu na makopo kwa masaa kauta dhina wa welesyo wake kwa DCI weta kana nene onde mozese maina omaniulu avala Leslie wasietwe atio maya imetikila kumaniria aiweta simo imwe kuma kwa President William Ruto gina kwa munene wokava wa NIS noludin haji niyo yamwetanie na mwana wake alekwa bila kukakuvikia umonde nda isa kunengwa uelesyo wake koki ona umwe.
Some people quietly, started asking me, why did you say this? Why can you make a more detailed statement regarding abductions? And that's why I came out, because you also have to situate certain matters with regard to the time and the periods when things are being discussed. That's why I was here. It was just merely to respond to the challenge thrown at me because I have nothing to hide. It is a fact that my son had been abducted. It's also a fact that he was held in Communicado for several hours. And indeed, he was later released. But I don't know by whom he had been abducted, or by who he was held. But my statement with the DCI explains the various steps that I took to secure his release.
Vilengo wa mauvo kumavamo sinilovi nye nito wa Benjamin Mwaka.